Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you didn't guess by the title, we're gonna pack together. Yes, because in just 4 days I'm gonna fly to New York, so definitely need to start packing and prepping. So I have my list, as you can see. I'm very organized. So I have few things that I'm gonna check out of my list today, and then some more on Sunday. But I will take you along and show you how do I prep for a trip. So yeah, from now on, I'll show you step by step what I do, what I check, what's on my list, and potentially I'll show you a bit of my packing as well, since I'm gonna definitely start today. So yeah, let's pack together for New York. So this is my list, and you can see I have all these different steps, which are absolutely crucial when packing and prepping for a trip. So first one, as you can see, tip number one, it's outfit planning. So of course it's, I would say, essential that you have an idea of all the outfits you're going to wear, all the situation you might be in when you're traveling. So as you can see, I have my airport outfit, going out and about, of course pajama, which is the one that I'm wearing in the video, Thanksgiving outfit, and then since I'm gonna be for sure at least one day in the city, I need an outfit for that too. So we're gonna start with this, and that's definitely first tip when you're packing. Try to organize your outfit so you're not gonna end up overpacking and bringing stuff that don't actually go together or you're not gonna wear. So let's start with that. So this at the moment is the mess on my bed. Not even too bad, but these are some ideas. Definitely that's gonna be Thanksgiving, probably with the jeans. Need to get a top to put under, align leggings for sure. This sweatshirt is so cute from H&M, so she's definitely coming with me. And then I have these packing cubes, which I show you in my previous video, my Amazon find. So definitely go check it out if you didn't see it, because these are life-saving. So go watch my video and like it, because that was a great video. If you're traveling, there's a lot of Amazon finds. And yeah, this is definitely one of the best things that you need absolutely when traveling, because it's gonna save you so much space. So yeah, and again, I would say that one of the tips that I have when you travel, it's rolling clothes. Roll all of your clothing, because it's gonna save so much space in your luggage, you can fit much more. And I will show you how I'm gonna do that, and how I'm gonna put some of this stuff in this lonely and empty luggage sitting here, which at some point will be full with clothing. Okay, so this is a proof that these packing cubes are absolutely amazing and everything is fitting perfectly into my luggage. Another greatest find was this, which is like a small perfume bottle. You can see got a hole in here, which you place on top of your perfume, and in theory, because that's what I see, you start doing this and it's gonna fill up your bottle, so you can carry this when you travel instead of like your big one, which by the way is one of the new Victoria's Secret one. Absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna finish doing this, and by the way, these are the perfume of choices. So you can see rich caramel vanilla and vanilla bean and macadamia. They are both Victoria's Secret, and they are body mist, but I love them. So as I was mentioning in my list, I have also the essentials that go into the liquids bag, but also makeup and hair. So I'm gonna start prepping some of these things, even though then of course I'm gonna add last minute probably my foundation, because of course I'm gonna use it in the day that I leave, and contacts definitely is gonna be one of the last minute ads, which again you should probably write down a list of all your last minute things so you don't forget anything. So for makeup, I think I'm gonna bring just two palettes, these two, because they are more, I mean, my favorite. This one definitely you can see is one of my favorites because of the colors. It's definitely gonna be perfect. But I'm gonna bring also this Too Faced one if I manage to open it. With one hand, it's very, very hard. So I'm gonna bring these two, which is one of my favorite, but it's pretty new because I have so many. So of course, I haven't used it that much. So these two are gonna be my palettes, and it's like, yeah, the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, and then the Tartlet roast, not toasted, not roasted, but toasted. Beautiful. So these two are gonna be the palettes. Then, of course, we'll have some brushes, mascara. I will probably bring this, which is my newest one. So it's coming with me. Bronzer. So this is the Hourglass one. The shade is, you can see, ambient. Okay, so you can see how beautiful is this bronzer, and then I might bring this one as well. And yeah, I'm just showing you maybe face powder, and again some brushes. This is my brow product, which I really, really like. It's infallible, I think it's L'Oreal. And yeah, this is like my brush from Charlotte Tilbury for my bronzer. Amazing. And yeah, pretty much that those are the essentials that I'm bringing, and I really, really like. And I might use these to bring some liquids. I'm not sure yet, but I mean, in the next clip you will see. I'm gonna actually bring my body moisturizer. The lighting in this bathroom is absolutely shit, but I don't have now my little ring light, so I'm gonna work with this. So I was saying that I'm gonna probably buy some minis for travel. So the deodorant, and I'm probably gonna buy at the airport. Same with the toothpaste. Yeah, I definitely need to bring with me contacts, and of course the contact holder, because I'm gonna definitely need these. Need to bring my glasses with me, absolutely. And then I think that's pretty much it for the things that I'm gonna bring in the toilet bathroom department, let's say, apart from makeup and yeah, face cream. I might use maybe these to bring my favorite of all time moisturizer, which is this. I mean, who doesn't know this by now? Amazing. So I might actually bring that, of course, in just in one of these, because that's way too big. And I already, as you can see, I already have my mini perfumes in here, and I show you already the two perfumes that I'm bringing. And then yeah, foundation, of course. Foundation, I'm gonna bring this, which I really, really like. I don't know if you can see, is the Max Factor Miracle Pure, and is a skinned, is a skin tint. So it's not really a foundation; it's more like a tinted moisturizer, if you will, something like that. Very nice. Not gonna bring any conditioner or shampoo, because if I need, I'm gonna buy it there. Probably I won't, but if I do, I'll buy it there. Same with any bath shower gel, but I'm definitely gonna bring some my curly hair for sure. I'm not gonna bring my Dyson because it's gonna take too much space, so no, that's not gonna be an option. Just gonna figure it out. My hair normally lasts very, very long. I only wash it once a week, and it's perfect. So I think I'm gonna be fine. And I think that that's it pretty much from the bathroom kind of department. Yeah, what I need to do now is just, of course, checking my list, double check if everything is clean, everything is ready to go. I already did the washing up, so of course everything that needs to be washed is in the washing machine and ready to, dry and then be added to the suitcase. But yeah, I think we're good. By the way, my hair is naturally very, very curly. I mean, not very, very curly. I would say probably is a 3B, 3C. If you're curly, you know what I mean. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair because it lasts much longer and it's much easier to manage when it's like in winter with humidity, and I'm gonna probably like wear a hat or a beanie anyway, so definitely I'm blow drying it. So this is what we start with. I already did, like, yeah, as I said, mask, and then I used all my regular product, which one of the best one I have, I should you, is this super milk from Lush. Oh, disgusting as a hair. Amazing, smells amazing and leaves the hair so soft, so perfect. So I already did that. Then I'm gonna probably like use some of these because I'm gonna, of course, blow dry my hair. I already put heat protectant cream, and probably I'm gonna use some of these as well because it smells amazing. So do that, and again, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this is my hair, just drying it with my Dyson and this comb, basically. So I'm just doing this and drying it. Now, to get them smooth, before then I get from these to these, I use an amazing tool, which probably some of you may already know, but if you don't, I'll show it to you, which is this wavy talk hot brush. Is amazing. Just gonna now section my hair and brush them with this. Okay, so this is the result just with this. As you can see, it gives you a nice yeah, blowout result, which is very nice. So you can just leave your hair like this. Of course, it's perfect, it's soft, it's smooth, lovely. But I like mine, you know, a little bit more wavy, so I will definitely go with my curling iron, which is the Beauty Work, if I'm not wrong, and I use this curler, which I'm not sure dimension, but it's the medium one, because the one that I have has 3 different attachments, and that's the medium one. So that's what I use to get my waves, and pretty much that's it for the hair. So now, so here you can see the final result with the curling iron. I really love it. It's soft, it's nice. It's gonna drop a bit, of course, so it's gonna be perfect. And there you go, that's me ready to leave. And as you can see, the luggage is done. It's perfect. That's gonna be my carry-on as well. And yeah, I'm ready to go.